Oh yeah. Good morning, everybody. Hey, everybody. So, it's the morning. We're on day 4 here in Canada, and hopefully things are going to get better. So, if you're new here on the channel, I'm John. I live full-time out of a little Jeep Cherokee, exploring, fly fishing. We're going to go up to Canada, and we're just going to have a good time. So, as you know, my first day here in Canada, my DC to DC controller decided to go out. So, it's the holidays here, in the States too, so everything's closed down. I couldn't make phone calls, no nothing. So today I can make a phone call, wait a couple hours, wait, everybody wakes up. Hopefully I can get my charger. I'd be so happy, and then I can get on my way and get up north a little further. Also, I gotta show you something that I would never ever thought I would find in Canada. I know, who would figure? Yep. Here is my DC to DC controller. Took it apart. I don't know. Can't find anything, but it's destroyed. It was weird. First day in Canada. It was like 8 o'clock at night. Wasn't even using it. The motor was off. I was camping, and all of a sudden, just lost power. So somewhere along the line, out of nowhere, this thing just had a direct shot at my battery, right to the battery, and just blew the fuse right away. Took me a bit to figure it out, but figured it out. Kind of blew a couple fuses, but yeah. So hopefully we'll find this. I can find something pretty soon. Hopefully tomorrow, and stay tuned for that. So today we just got nothing to do, just editing and just doing absolutely nothing. All right, so we struck out on our controller. Could not get another one. What a bummer. Found places that deal with Victron, but there's nothing around. At place they made phone calls, and to get one in, it'd be another week or 2 weeks before they can get our controller in for me. And I'm not going to stick around that long. I want to get going, so I'm driving up north now, and we're going to get in some beautiful territory. Oh boy, I got moose here. I got to watch out. Kind of found a place to camp. So, my spot. And I got a lake back here. Yeah, this lake is pretty flooded. So, this is all marsh kind of right in here. So, I can't even walk to the water. Yeah, a lot of this water looks pretty shallow, so definitely not a place I'm going to be fishing. So, I think we're going to spend about a night here, and then head on, and hopefully I can get in the mountains and get some trout fishing in. And you know what I think? I think it's time for a beer, so I can relax at this new campsite. All right, found this Yellow Dog Brewing Company. It's an IPA, dead play, 6.8. They say it's strong alcohol at 6.8. And I didn't say, I was in the liquor store. I wasn't impressed with the beer. But this is brewed in British Columbia. Let's open it up. I'm sure this is pretty light. Golden. Let's let this foam go down. All right, this is better. That's a nice, light, refreshing beer. That's a nice golden color to it. That's a nice beer. So, to British Columbia. So, I said before, we didn't get our controller. There was none around. to get it, to get any kind of controller, it would be a week before I could get it. And I wasn't going to wait around, so I'm going to deal without it. As long as I can get to my campsites and I can put my panels out and fully charge my batteries, I'm good. And while I'm driving, I kind of just plug my refrigerator into my my cigarette lighter as I'm driving, so I'm not draining my house battery. So I'll be all right. So maybe when I'm up in Alaska, in the U.S. again, I can order something. So anyway, we're going to end the video here. It's been long. That's our drama. Hopefully no more drama. We're going to head up north, and hopefully we're going to get some good fishing in. So don't forget, never stop exploring. Never stop listening to rock and roll. Hit the like button, and we'll catch you next week. Bye-bye.